Here is the lab project demo. First of all, I would like to mention the key integrated parts of the system. We have an editor on which the user writes the code, and an independent integrated service known as text to speech service. We are basically using Microsoft text to speech API. Here is the text to speech TTS settings. We have on, off, start, pause, resume, stop, by char, by word, verbosity. Basically by char and by word are the verbosity levels of the current system. We have also given the shortkeys of these actions, for on, to on the TTS of the whole system. We will use caps lock O. These shortkeys will give advantage to the visually impaired people, and they can use them independently from the images or the actions. uh, let's say, um, I will start I will press the button start with caps lock plus start, and the text and this text of the editor will be spoken by the text to speech API, like we can say.
Misspelled. %%. This is a very basic article template. %%. There is just one section and two subsections. \document class opening curly bracket article closing curly bracket \, begin opening curly bracket document closing curly bracket \, section opening curly bracket tail off closing curly bracket assistive debugging to support accessible latex based document authoring \, subsection opening curly bracket abstract closing curly bracket latex is wide
by pressing pause button or caps lock P, or we can resume them by pressing resume button or caps lock R.
Used for authoring and present documents. Unfortunately,
stop them to speak like caps lock E. Here is the verbosity levels character by character and by word. By character means the text to speech service will speak in a character mode. Like I will press caps lock C. The verbosity level of the system is set to by char, by character. Now I will again press caps lock S, and we will see it will speak in a character mode.
%sign THISIVERYBASICARTICLETEMPLATE period.
Here is the word. I can use caps lock W to set the verbosity level of the system by word, and I will again press caps lock S to speak the latex text into speech.
%. This is a very basic article template. %. There is just one section and two subsections \, document class opening curly bracket article.
Here is the on button and off button. If I will press the caps lock O, it means the TTS of the whole system is set to on. But if I press the caps lock Q, it means the TTS of the whole system is disabled. No speech will be heard from the text to speech API. Actually, it is we are basically targeting both visually impaired and normal persons, depending upon the user which likes to use the mode, TTS mode or without TTS mode. So it was the latex to speech mode, and other than that we have implemented some shortkeys to assist the visually impaired people in assistive debugging, like caps lock G. Caps lock G will speak the current line of the number, and we will see if I press caps lock G, it will speak the current line number of the where the cursor is currently occurring. So another shortkey is caps lock H. Caps lock H means as long as I move the cursor, it will read the current character where the cursor is currently persisting, like
A U T H O R I U M E
I can stop this cursor mode by pressing caps lock M. Now as long I move the cursor, the no text will be spoken by the text to speech. uh, in addition to this, caps lock M will exit from the cursor mode. Caps lock I caps lock I will basically use the uh, forward cursor bar. It means if I have my cursor on M documents on M character, it will speak the text after the cursor, like caps lock I
Mans.
meant. If I set the verbosity level by char, it means it will speak in a character mode, like
MENTS period.
now again I convert the verbosity level by word. It will speak in word mode.
Mans.
Man. If it is in documents,
Documents. Implementations. Tations.
okay. I have another short key, that is caps lock J. It will start reading from the immediate word where the cursor is currently occurring. Like if I have my cursor in implementations T mode, it will speak implementation.
Tations.
Sorry.
Implementations.
I again press the control J button.
Implementations.
It will speak the immediate start of the word where the cursor is currently, like
Existing implementations. Existing implementations. Existing implementations. Accessible to people.
now I am again changing the verbosity level by char. Now
ACCESSIBLETOPEOPLE.
I'm again changing it to word,
Accessible to people.
right? There is another key which is caps lock K. It will speak the complete line of the current where the current cursor is currently occurring. Like if my cursor is on the 12th line, it will read the whole line of the whole text of the line number 12.
Of latex or not X.
Now we will come to the error part. If I have the static error like missing closing bracket, it will speak the error.
There's a closing curly bracket missing. Unexpected end of file at line number 18.
You can see that it will correct the error. If I'm again removing this bracket, and you will see that the cursor will move automatically at the position where the error is actually occurring. Like I will remove the closing bracket, and you will see the cursor will move to the error position on the exact line automatically.
There's a closing curly bracket missing. Unexpected end of file at line number 18.
You can see that the cursor is currently blinking on the current position where the actual error is. So it will help the user to automatically correct the error on the given line. It don't have to navigate through the text to approach to that line where the error is. So we are basically assisting the visually impaired people, so it will help them a lot in assisted debugging. So here I'm gonna close it. If something like if there is an Latex command and something there is a spell mistake, like
Misspelled. Undefined control sequence, \substitution, followed by, opening curly bracket abstract closing curly bracket, at line number 8.
at line number 8. So it will speak misspelled. If there is a spell mistake in the latex command, it will first tell the user that there is a spell mistake. You can again see that
Misspelled.
misspelled.
Undefined control sequence, backslash subsecon, followed by, opening curly bracket abstract closing curly bracket, at line number 8.
Okay, I'm gonna change it now. And now for the final stop, I'm gonna again converting the latex text into speech of the whole file. So I will press caps lock S.
Percent this is a very basic article template. Percent there is just one section and two subsections backslash document class opening curly bracket article closing curly bracket backslash begin opening curly bracket document closing curly bracket backslash section opening curly bracket tail op closing curly bracket assistive debugging to support accessible latex based document authoring backslash subsection opening curly bracket abstract closing curly bracket latex is widely used for authoring and presenting mathematical and technical documents. Unfortunately, existing implementations of latex are not accessible to people with partial and complete blindness due to their poor interfaces, lack of support for screen readers, and cumbersome handling of debugging errors. Backslash subsection opening curly bracket real-time source code parsing closing curly bracket. Your system parses the latex source code on a real-time basis and can produce the error if it exists, without actually compiling the source code. This real-time source code parsing can improve the productivity and efficiency in a better way. Backslash end opening curly bracket document closing curly bracket.
Oh, the whole file is completed. Now finally we can see the PDF that the latex system has generated. So here is the output file. That the editor text will be converted into the PDF text, and again we are going into the latex form. So here is the demo. Thank you.